Hello, Node.js is super popular. Node.js is super popular. The JS standing for JavaScript and the Node standing for some kind of special thing. I'm not entirely sure, but let's check it directly to make fun of it. Node.js meaning node. So node is some kind of node. I mean, it's just called like this, right? And we want to get it. So let's just click here on the get node.js, and I think we are on Windows, so you can use as well anything else. Yeah, installer. There it is. So node is going to be installed here. I accept the terms, and yeah, runtime, anything, add to path as well. Yes, please. Automatically install the necessary tools. Chocolate Day, the script will pop up nice on things, so some need to be compiled from C. But if you want to be able to install such models, need to be installed. So this is a special case, probably not used because it's not auto default. So let's just skip it for this tutorial. And yeah, you can just copy new files, let it do anything it needs, and yeah, it would be good to install the Node.js on your computer, just making sure that it's there. And if you want to check how it is installed, so you can so you can just click CMD and node minus minus version, and then you see it. So Node.js is installed. Can we just node help? Then you see here any of the documentation with the most important things. So script read, blah blah blah, allow permission to read the file system here, for example. And yeah, this is also needed for the some kind of desktop integrations for this very important here to write in the file system. So this is all handled by the Node.js framework. Very popular thing. I would recommend you to have it on your PC. It's also not so big. And yeah, that's it. There's nothing more to say about it. And thank you for taking your time to take a look into some kind of more advanced in the software development. So yeah, thank you very much and goodbye. I mean, see you in the next video. We have some multiple videos and also as well there's a good social media presence from me, and yeah, just catch me up on the socials and I will catch back, right? Okay, thank you. Bye 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 bye.